back to our channel. So in today's video guys, we will see how we can fix error namespace MVC could not be found in System.Web. So you can see the error here, the type of namespace MVC does not exist in the namespace System.Web. So you can see you don't see any error in the code here, but still when we try to build, or when you will try to build, you will get the error. So if you get this error, then what you can do is you have to go on the solution and right click on the solution and go to properties. So guys, you have to check the target framework of your project. Okay, so your target framework should be greater than the 4.5 framework. If it is less than the 4.5 framework, then you can change that to the later. So you can select the 4.5.2 and click on yes. So once you do that, now it is giving some errors regarding the .NET framework. Now what you have to do is you have to go to the tools and Nugget package manager and package manager console, and then you have to type Nugget package reinstall. So that will update the packages as per the latest framework which you have selected. So it will change the framework there. Sorry, so the command is not Nugget package, it is update package actually. So now it will pick up all the packages from the packages.config file, and then it will install those as per the current selected framework. Okay, so it will install packages which are like which goes with the 4.5.2 framework. If you select any other framework, then it will install the package as per that framework. So once this completes, then you will be able to build the solution, and your error regarding MVC not found in the System.Web namespace will be fixed after this. So we will just see that it can take few seconds to reinstall the packages. So here it is removing the old packages as per the old version of the framework, and now it is installing as per the new framework. So you can see it has completed, and now I will go on the controller again, and then I will rebuild this solution. So now you can see there is no build error, so your issue will be resolved after this. So thank you guys, and let us know if you face any kind of issues. So thank you.